know.
What is it?
What is it not? You can spray your opponent and they will now understand your religious point of view.
Let me try some. Maybe God is real.
Yay!
Today sucked.
Why?
I wanted to support my cousin in his gay rights movement, but I didn't have the confidence to.
Well, now you can. With this new martini, the F-bomb, you will now have the courage to say what you've always wanted.
I'm so confident.
Man, I really want to protest today, but I'm exhausted. What was that?
Those were freedom rollers and they're freedom chairs. What are those? Freedom chairs are the next generation of protest equipment.
What are its features?
Take a seat. It has wheels for easy maneuverability and a nifty sign holder to hold your sign.
To display what I want to say?
You know it.
Religious views. Let me try